I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. We have an interesting test question here. We'll solve a trigonometric equation which is cos x minus 2 over sin x minus 5 sin x over 3 cos x minus 2 equals to 0, where x is between 0 to 360 degrees. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So the question before us is cos x minus 2 over sin x minus 5 sin x over 3 cos x minus 2 equals to 0. So to simplify this, let's cross multiply. So what we get here is cos x minus 2 times 3 cos x minus 2 minus 5 sin x times sin x equals to 0. Open the bracket. So we get 3 cos square x minus 2 cos x. That gives you minus 6 cos x and plus 4. This is minus 5 sin square x. Let us convert sin square x into cosine terms. 1 minus cos square x. We'll simplify these two. So we get 3 cos square x minus 6 and minus 2 is minus 8 cos x plus 4, and here we have 5 times 1 minus cos square x equals to 0. Clear? Okay, let's open this bracket. So we get 3 cos square x minus 8 cos x plus 4 minus 5 plus 5 cos square x equals to 0. So we can combine these two terms. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we get 8 cos square x. And we have minus 8 cos x. And that is minus 1 equals to 0. So that is our equation. And let's take it to the right side and solve. So that's a quadratic equation in cosine. So we can write cos x as equal to, we'll use the quadratic formula. So we get minus of b, that gives us 8 here, plus minus square root of b square, which is 64, minus 4ac. So 4 times 8 is 32. That negative makes it positive 32 over 2 times 8, which is 16. So that is 8 plus minus square root of 96 over 16, correct? So let's calculate these values. What do we get? So we have 8 plus square root of 96 divided by 16. We get a value which in decimals is one value is approximately 1.1123. So that is not quite valid because cosine cannot be more than 1. Right? The other value is 8 minus square root of 96 divided by 16, and that gives you decimal value is minus 0.11237. Correct? So that should give you a valid solution. Right? Now for this we have no solution, but for this we have a solution. So we have basically two solutions. For a negative value, which for cosine will be in quadrant 2 and 3, right? So these are the two solutions. So let's find the cosine of alpha. So cos alpha, the acute angle, which will give us the value which will be positive 0.11237. So alpha is equal to, so let's find this value. So we have cos inverse of 0.11237, and that is equal to 83.5. Let's write down 83.5. So that is the value of alpha. So within this interval, 0 to 360 degrees, we get x as equal to 180 plus minus 83.5. Is that clear to you? So let's do that. So we can add 180 to this. So one answer is 263.5, and 180 minus 83.5 will give us, in decimals, 96.5. So those are the two values for x which are going to satisfy the given equation. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. The restrictions here are that sine x cannot be 0 and cos x cannot be 2 over 3. And now that is not a part of our solution, and therefore this is just the right solution. So the idea was to simplify the equation, which we did by taking a common denominator, and then we use quadratic formula to find the solution for cosine x, and finally got two values within the given domain. I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.